Now we are going to see the number 15. 15 has two factors 3 and 5. So it should satisfy both the conditions, that is, that number should be divisible by both 3 and 5. If it satisfies both the conditions, then that number is divisible by 15. Divisibility rule for 3 is nothing but all the digits need to be added up and the total number should be divided by 3, divisible by 3. And divisibility rule for 5 is the ones digit should be 0 or 5. Now let us consider an example 3165. We will sum up all the digits, which is nothing but 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3, which is nothing but 3 into 5 equal to 15. So 3165 is divisible by 3. And the last digit is 5. So this number satisfies the divisibility rule for 5. So 3165 is divisible by 5. As this number is divisible by both 3 and 5, this number 3165 is divisible by 15. Now let us consider another example. 4361. Let us sum up all the digits. 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So this number 4361 is also not divisible by 3. Last digit is 1, which is neither 0 nor 5. So this 4361 is not divisible by 5. As it does not satisfy both the conditions, that is divisible by 3 and 5, this 4361 is not divisible by 15. Let us consider the next number 16. For 16, we have to consider the last 4 digits. Last 4 digits should be either zeros or that last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. We have one more rule, that is we have to consider the last 4 digits. Here in the thousands digits, if it is an even number, then we can consider the last 3 digits alone. The last 3 digits must be divisible by 16. If the thousands digits odd, then we have to add last 3 digits with 8 and that number should be divisible by 16. So now let's get into an example. 52 lakhs 41,024. Here the last 4 digit is nothing but 1024. Here the thousands digit is 1, which is an odd number. So we have to add 8 to the last 3 digits. That is 24 plus 8, which is equal to 32. 32 is divisible by 16. This is nothing but 16 into 2 equal to 32. So 52 lakh 41,024 is divisible by 16. Now let's consider another example. 20 lakh 58,758. 8,758 is the last 4 digits. Here as 8 is even, we have to check the last 3 digits alone. If the last 3 digits is divisible by 16, then that number is divisible by 16. So we will check whether 758 is not divisible by 16. So 20 lakh 58,758 is also not divisible by 16. Now let's get into the next number 17. Here we have to ignore the last digit of the number and that we have to consider the remaining number. And we have to find the difference between the number formed with remaining digits and last digit into 5. That should be either 0 or that number should be divisible by 17. Now let's get into an example. 678. Ignore the last digit, we will get 67. And the last digit into 5, that is 8 into 5 equal to 40. 67 minus 40 is equal to 27, which is not divisible by 17. So 678 is also not divisible by 17. Now let's consider another example 493. Here ignore the last digit, we will get 49. Last digit into 5 is 3 into 5 equal to 15. 49 minus 15 equal to 34. 34 is divisible by 17. There is nothing but 17 into 2 equal to 34. So 493 is also divisible by 17. Now let us consider a bigger number 56,789. Ignore the last digit, we will get 5,678 minus last digit into 5, that is nothing but 9 into 5, 45. 5678 minus 45 equal to 5633. That is also a big number, so let us reduce it further. 5633, ignore the last digit, you will get 563 minus last digit into 5, that is nothing but 3 into 5 equal to 15. 563 minus 15 equal to 548. Let us reduce it further. 548, ignore the last digit, we will get 54 minus 8 into 5, nothing but 40. 54 minus 40 equal to 14, which is not divisible by 17. So 56,789 is also not divisible by 17. Let us consider the next number 18. 18 has two factors, nothing but 2 and 9. So it should satisfy both the conditions, that if a number has to be divisible by 18, then that number should be divisible by both 2 and 9. So if it satisfies both the conditions, then the number is divisible by 18. Let us consider an example, 3456. As the last digit is an even number, it is divisible by 2. It is 6. 6 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 3456 is also divisible by 2. For 9, we will add up all the digits. It is nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It is nothing but 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2 is 18. So this number 3456 is divisible by 9. As it satisfies both the conditions, that is 3456 is divisible by both 2 and 9. So it is also divisible by 18. Let us consider another example, 4281. As the last digit is an odd number, this number is not divisible by 2. For divisibility rule for 9, we will sum up all the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1, which is nothing but 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. So this number 4281 is not divisible by 18. Now let us consider the next number 19. Here we will ignore the last digit and we will multiply it by 2 and we will sum it up with the remaining digits, and that total should be divisible by 19. If it satisfies this rule, then the number is divisible by 19. So now consider an example, 678. Ignore the last digit, we will get 67. We will add it up with the last digit into 2, which is nothing but 18 into 2 equal to 16. 67 plus 16 equal to 83. Let us reduce it further. Ignore the last digit, we will get 8 plus last digit into 2 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 19. So 678 is also not divisible by 19. Let us consider another example, 722. Ignore the last digit, we will get 72. Last digit into 2, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. 72 plus 4 equal to 76. This is also a bigger number, let us reduce it further. Ignore the last digit, we will get 7 plus last digit into 2. 6 into 2 equal to 12. 7 plus 12 equal to 19. 19 is divisible by 19. So the number 722 is also divisible by 19. Now let's consider a bigger number, 56,789. Ignore the last digit, we'll get 5,678. Last digit into 2, that is nothing but 9 into 2 equal to 18. 5,678 plus 18 equal to 5,696. As this is also a bigger number, let us reduce it further. 5,696. Ignore the last digit, we will get 569 plus last digit into 2, which is nothing but 6 into 2 equal to 12. So 569 plus 12 equal to 581. Let us reduce it further. 581. Ignore the last digit, we will get 58 plus last digit into 2. 1 into 2 equal to 2. Which is nothing but 60. Let us reduce it further. So ignore the last digit 6 plus last digit into 2, that is 0 into 2 equal to 0, which is equal to 6. It is not divisible by 19. So 56,789 is also not divisible by 19. Let us consider the number 20. Here we have two rules. First rule is last two digits should be divisible by 20. Another rule is ones digit should be 0 and tens digit should be an even number. So let's get into an example. 52,43,180. Here 80 is also divisible by 20, and the second rule also it satisfies. There is one's digit is 0 and 8 is divisible by 2. 8 is an even number. So 52,43,180 is also divisible by 20. Now let's consider another example. 20,59,757. One's digit is not 0, and even tens digit is also not an even number, and 57 is also not divisible by 20. So 20,59,757 is not divisible by 20.